That was one wild start. All right, well, it's again Thursday night, time for some racing. Well, with no wind again, we're going to be floating. Tonight we got Leonard and Eric.
Hola.
It's still 20 minutes to 5, so we got plenty of time. Race officer
Let's get drunk.
looks like they might be coming out. We're trying that. We're definitely making an effort to achieve that because sailing fast will not happen tonight.
So get drunk.
So we got one sail out. We're going to sit around for a few minutes, drink some beers, and yeah, we'll see what happens.
Once a shot.
Shots all around.
Oh, shots are in the shots in the house. Yeah.
Let's start bringing grog.
That's a good idea.
We're going to go ahead and pull the jib out, try and do some real sailing.
Ooh.
Race officer just called the course Echo for 2 laps. We'll see if this wind holds so we can actually get 2 laps in. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and sail. Sequence will start in roughly a minute or so. So yeah, here goes nothing.
I'll just clear that from the winch. Pull it out from the... Take these bad boys now.
Nope, those are fine.
Now, Echo is what? To
Small triangle.
small triangle.
Close to us. You get that? Close enough.
Is that 5 minutes?
6.
6, yeah.
Flag is lower. Start 6. Countdown.
We're going down below the race. Hey, we're going down below. What we're going to do is go down the other side of the race committee boat. Yep. And turn and come up and just try and go across the line coming up this way.
We got 3.5 minutes, so we'll take our sweet fucking time to get there.
No, it'll take 3.5 minutes to get down there and turn around and get some speed.
All right, let me go pull it in a little.
We're running into the water. He's heading for it one more time.
Oh, too much. Right there. Like that. Good.
Ooh, he got that starting line just right. It's gonna be a bitch going through there. He nailed that. We have to go by him. We have to go by and take his damn paint off the motor. Yeah, well, Butternuts is now almost perfectly positioned to be in the way.
Chemistry's playing with us, so.
Yeah, no, we don't worry about it. All we have to do is get around on our starboard deck. Oh, he is coming up on us.
Yeah, he's turning.
What's our time? How much?
Minute 30.
That's not too much. Yeah, we got it. Minute 30?
He's a couple seconds late.
It's all right. Another 10 seconds, we're going to want to attack. I'll put it in 50 seconds. All right, actually,
45 seconds.
let's do it now. Now? Ready about.
Go.
Go? Yeah. Go. Ooh, that start.
Yeah.
That's my bad.
No,
It's not.
oh, we couldn't have got it. All right, we need to pull it as we can. I don't think we're not gonna make it. No chance. We're just going right down to the starting line. I go right up to the boat, tack, go across. I can't do it.
Are we started?
No, we're not across the starting line. Yes,
Yeah, too bad we fucking blew the smoke out of that start.
Oh, nice. Guess what we just did? We're on starboard. Start! Not even paying any attention. Fuck. Look at that stuff.
Get ready.
Damn, that's a pretty boat. At least one time. That's what you get for getting in the way. Ha ha ha. Hey, dude, go. Don't wait. Whoa. Now break that one. All right. Hard as you can, baby. Pull it up tight.
So in the, oh shit, gotta go behind him, Eric.
I am, I'm going. Don't worry.
So in these really light airs, you don't want to come in far tight all the way first, because what it's gonna do is gonna keep pushing the bow around. You're gonna do something drastic, Eric.
Don't worry. Turn on the key. Hold my beer! There we go. Oh yeah, that was a hard one. Thanks guys, that was fun. All you have to do is miss. It don't matter by how much. Man, that starts a bit. What's up, Mark?
What's up, guys?
Hey guys. Yep. We want to tack as soon as possible, but you know what? Hey, Southern Comfort fucked up. He's not gonna make it.
What a fucking, that is a hell of a start.
Nice. Pay attention.
We haven't even crossed anything yet, have we?
No, we just crossed the start line, but we're
Oh, it was between him
going
and
straight
there?
to shore here. So
That was, well, that was one wild start. We had everybody crisscrossing each other and putting call regs right there at the starting line, so that was fun. We currently have Southern Comfort right in front of us. We're in second. Doing okay. Not a whole lot of breeze. 2.5 knots. So we're gonna keep this up, see what happens.
Well, that was some high octane action at a blazing 2 knots. The start line was pure chaos. Boats crisscrossing, everyone jockeying for position in the lightest of breezes. It felt like a tactical chess match played in slow motion. After that, the wind never really picked up, but it never fully quit either. Just enough to keep things interesting and painfully slow. The race committee wisely called it after 1 lap, and we managed to snag 2nd place. I'll take it. If you enjoyed watching some light air madness unfold, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment with your own barely moving race story, and hit subscribe for more sailing, wrenching, and whatever else I might get into next. We'll see you out there.